Hello and welcome to another edition of Eat the Week. I'm your host, Hairy Foodie Guy, and this is a channel takeover because Hairy Foodie Girl likes to cook as well. It's not just me, it's not all about me. So Hairy Foodie Girl has cooked mock duck. What do you want to call it?
It's kind of, I don't know.
Mock duck, I don't know. She's cooked.
It's a throw together.
So it's another if it's, but it looks like it's going to be a good one. So yeah, so we'll show you what she's done and then I'm going to eat it. So do you want me to review you?
Yeah, that would be funny.
Okay, I'll do a brutal review of Foodie Girl's cooking. So yeah, we're gonna have it in sweet chili flatbreads instead of pita breads. So it's kind of like a mock duck burrito or tortilla.
Yeah.
Okay, mock duck tortilla. So yeah, so we can review the mock duck, and I can review Foodie Girl's cooking as well, which is always excellent, to be honest.
Hopefully not make a mockery of me.
So no, I would never do that. So right, enjoy the cooking and preparing video that's coming up, and I'll be back for the eating part. Yum. Well, I hope you enjoyed that cooking demonstration, and this is the end result. It looks pretty yummy. So it's like, and I'm going to dish that up. I'm going to put some sweet chili hummus on the flatbread and some guacamole, some Frank's Red Hot, and a bit of feta. So the garlic mayo is for me. They're crucial because Foodie Girl does not like mayonnaise.
One day I'm going to try the vegan mayo.
Vegan mayo. Well, there's some in the cupboard.
It's not that day.
Alrighty. Well, you want about half of that?
Yes, please.
That's the guac. So it's like, I don't know, it's kind of Turkish, I suppose, with mock duck, vegan duck. So, as usual, this is a fail. I couldn't even get the lid off the chili hummus. Oh, it's looking good already. And you want about half of that.
Yes, please.
There you go. Well, it's not one not. Right, so that's that done. I'm not even going to bother trying to put that lid back on. Right, let's dish this up. Oh my god, it looks amazing. It does look Turkish. I love wraps and pita breads and stuff like that, especially when they're either hot, like wholemeal, or these sweet chili ones are nice as well. Oh, look at that. All that yummy veg. I wasn't witness to the creating of this dish, so it's a surprise to me, this one. So, bit of feta. I haven't had feta for ages, like months. Whoa. Bit of Frank's, can't beat a bit of Frank's. Red Hot Original, nice. Whoa. How much do you want? About the same?
Yes, please. Thank
And how much of this do you want?
you. 0.
It's lovely. It's garlic. It's literally dirty garlic mayonnaise like you get in a kebab shop. I absolutely love this stuff. They do like a kebab shop style chili sauce as well. So, alrighty.
It's okay, I'll fold it myself.
You okay? There you go.
Thank you.
Here we go. We have different styles of folding. Oh, you're rolling yours, going with the roll method. I'm going with the tuck. So that's my preferred method, is the tuck. So there you go. I need another little bit more on the top. Yum. Oh, look at that. That's a decent size. Right, let's get it in my face. I've half tied my hair back today so that I don't get food in it. Oh wow. That's really good. You can actually taste the duck. Through everything that we've just put in it. The duck actually cuts through. I thought it was going to be lost. I can taste the jalapenos and olives as well. They're perfect. Yeah, this is really good. It tastes dirty, but I know it's not. I know it's healthy. That's what I really like. I like to eat food that tastes dirty but isn't. It's healthy. This is great.
According to the Office of Disease Prevention and Health Promotion, healthy meals utilize a variety of food groups. Vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and protein should be emphasized, while saturated fats and added sugars are ingredients to avoid.
Alexa, thanks.
You're welcome.
Not that we asked.
This is the sort of weird stuff that happens in my house, you know. I have no idea where that came from at all. I'm going to watch back the video and see what activated that, if anything at all. But the camera was literally recording automatically earlier. So while I was like setting up plates and stuff, I noticed that my camera was videoing me. I'm like, what are you doing? Just weird, weird technology. There's a glitch in the matrix, or we've got gremlins. Mm. Oh, this is good. Alexa, is there a glitch in the Matrix?
Here's something I found on the web. According to teamfortress.tv, there has been a glitch in the Matrix.
There you go. Oh, thanks to electronic devices for making this video more entertaining than it was. Mm. This is just awesome. I would definitely eat this again. I would advise you to cook it at home as well. Mm. That's great. So there's courgette in there. What are the red peppers? Are they jalapenos?
No, they're just normal red.
Oh, yeah, okay, just sort of
Sweet
one of the
peppers.
sweet peppers. It's really good. Courgette as well.
Carrot.
And that looks like a mushroom, but it's not. It's part. It's the part. Is that part of the duck? Oh, we had mushrooms as well.
Yes, there's mushrooms in there.
I love that then. Yeah, this is amazing. I can't praise it high enough. If I had bought this in Spitalfields Market, I would have been just as happy as I am now sitting here eating this. It's kind of got a Turkish rap vibe to it. Not the rap as in the music, because that would be weird, but that's how it kind of feels to me. It's amazing. I love it. So well done. Seriously, 10 out of 10 for this.
Thank you.
It's spot on. And that mock duck is good as well. I don't know if you showed the people what we...
Yes, I did.
Okay, good.
It's very absorbent. So when you cook it, it just sort of soaks everything up like a sponge.
But you've still got that duck taste coming through.
Yep.
And with all the other textures of all the veg in there, you don't notice that it's vegetarian or vegan.
Yeah.
So this is a vegan dish, right? Yeah.
It was until we put feta on it.
Oh yeah, until the feta.
And the mayo, of course.
Oh yeah. So it was vegan, so you can do it vegan yourself. But this is vegetarian. And that mock duck is so good. I don't miss, having like real meat. So this is another successful meat substitute dish. And it's absolutely divine. It tastes like I've visited another store at Spitalfields. It's a bit Moroccan actually.
Yeah.
It could be a Moroccan wrap. Oh wow, yeah, it's a weird blend, I think.
Should we call it a Mediterranean wrap?
No, I think it's more than that. I think the spices are in it. I'd go with it's got more Moroccan flavors in it with the turmeric and stuff like that. I can, and the hummus and everything else. I don't know. Yeah, I feel that it's more Moroccan than my initial Turkish thing that I had. All the thumbs.
Thank you.
To you. That was epic. Right. Wow. Oh, that was amazing. So I really like the mock duck. Can't remember where we bought it even. It's been in the freezer for a little while.
Well, it's Linda McCartney brand.
Oh, okay. So it's Linda McCartney mock duck, and so far we haven't disliked anything Linda McCartney, have we?
No.
I like all of her like meat replacement stuff, and I didn't really expect much from fake duck. But that was pretty damn good. And now I'm looking forward to duck pancakes with hoisin sauce. But that was epic. Yeah, I wouldn't have thought of putting that together with the mock duck. I was just heads down thinking about the Asian style of mock duck with duck pancakes with cucumber and spring onion and hoisin sauce, So that was a really good use of it. I really enjoyed that. So yeah, if you like this sort of content, give us a like and a subscription if you don't subscribe already, and click the little notification bell for the next time we do crazy videos or cooking or reviewing, or like, you know, anything could happen, or food challenges. So drop your comments in the comment section. We answer every single one of them. So thank you, Hairy Foodie Girl, for cooking, and thank you guys for watching. I love you all. Goodbye.